Hi friends, this is a capacitor, AC electrolytic capacitor. This value is 400 volts, 2 microfarad capacitor. This usually comes in fan, table fan, ceiling fan or any motor. This is defective actually. I will show you how to check this. You can actually make out by visualization of this capacitor. You can see there is a hole on top of it. There is a hole. This is actually busted from inside, creating a hole. So when I checked this was open. I bought a new one for this. This is the new one available in market. This is 400 volt AC, 2.5 microfarad. This can be used in place of 2 microfarad also. It makes no difference. The fan will work properly. There is no problem as such. So this has no polarity actually, no plus or minus. It can be corrected in either ways. So I'll show you how to check this capacitor first with analog multimeter, and then I will show you how to check this with digital multimeter. So with the analog multimeter, you have to check this in ohms range. Connect the multimeter probe in ohms range, and then when you check this, first I will check the defective meter. When you short this, you will see the deflection of the multimeter to maximum. When I check the defective meter, the meter does not deflect at all, indicating that this is open from inside. So when I check this new capacitor, you can see it shows for some ohms and then the needle drops down. See, again I'm checking the old capacitor, it is not showing. New capacitor, it shows and then the needle drops back again. So with the digital multimeter, you can hear the beep here. Yes, in continuity range you can hear the beep. If I check the defective meter, there is no beep as such, indicating this is open. So before checking the new capacitor, I have to short the two leads, and then if I check, the beep sound can be heard for a short time. Again, if you change the probe, again it will give you the beep for a short time. Thank you for watching.